We're gonna make a simple arugula salad that I love in less than 5 minutes. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel, I share a lot of simple recipes like this one. So if you're just getting more confident in the kitchen and that's your jam, hit the red subscribe button. You and I can cook together twice a week. I know it's so tempting to just empty out the arugula from the bag onto a bowl and call it a salad, but you probably want to make it taste great. So this is how I make salad for myself, or when I want something to impress, I always go with blueberries. They're sweeter, so they pair with the arugula, which is kind of pungy, really well. Blueberries are really good for you with lots of antioxidants, so anywhere you can get them. We're also gonna add some feta over our salad. And for extra crunch, we'll add some slivered almonds. You could also do walnuts if you want. And 4 ingredients is all it takes to make a simple arugula salad. But to take it over the top, I have this 2-minute homemade vinaigrette that I then drizzle right over it. It makes it epic. Obviously, I'm not gonna eat all of this by myself. It's a great salad to share. Grab the ingredient amount below this video and see you next time.